Hi, my name is Reynold. In this video, I will share how to create an account with buymeacoffee.com. So you don't have to be monetized in YouTube to get donation or support from your viewers or your followers. Once you set up your page in buymeacoffee.com, every time someone wants to support you or to donate to your channel or to you, you can easily send them your Buy Me a Coffee link, and then they can send you donation. You can also set up membership page in Buy Me a Coffee. Just like YouTube, you can set up super chat in a form of donation and membership. So with Buy Me a Coffee, you don't have to wait till your YouTube is monetized before get support from your viewers or your followers. To create an account with Buy Me a Coffee, first you must have a PayPal or Stripe account. So when people give donations, you will get your money or the donations through your PayPal or Stripe account. So if you have a PayPal account or Stripe account, you can just go to buymeacoffee.com. So here, click sign up, and then you enter your email address and the password you want to create. And then continue with email. You will receive an email from Buy Me a Coffee with a confirmation code. You just simply enter that code and you will be redirected to your dashboard. So this is my dashboard in Buy Me a Coffee. So from here, you can customize your page. You can go to dashboard. You will see all your stats. So this is a new page. I just created this Buy Me a Coffee page. So I don't have followers, I don't have supporters, I don't have members. Members is membership. So you can view all the stats. This is the people who click my link. Here in support, you can click the settings. You can choose how much copy, each copy. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And then let's say you set it up for $5 each copy. They can buy you a copy for one copy for $5 or 3 copy for $15. You can also customize the thank you message. Add anything you want here. Or you can put a link to your website. And if you want to donate some of the proceeds to a charity, you can click this and put how many percent will go to charity, the name of the charity. And under members, this is only if you enable the membership. So right now, I did not enable my membership, so there's nothing here yet. Extras, if you have any other products or service. Settings, this is where you set your PayPal. So right now, my PayPal is already connected. So if I want to connect my Stripe, I will just click this enable. I already have a Stripe account. Once you click this, it will go to the Stripe website. So this, select the currency in which you would like to accept your payment. So I'm here in California, so United States dollar. Covered credit card fee. This is important because who do you want to cover the credit card fee? If you turn this off, that means the supporter or the person that gave you the donation, let's say they bought you a copy for $5 for one copy, they will be charged $5 and something because they have to cover that credit card fee. So if you want to shoulder that credit card fee, just turn this on. So once they donate $5, they only get deducted for $5. You can also set a goal and add tags, and this will be your page link. So if I copy this and I go to let's say incognito window, paste this. So every time people wants to donate to my page or to me or to my channel, but I'm not monetized yet, I can give them this link, and then they can buy me a copy. They can buy me a copy for one copy $5, 3 copy $15, 5 copy $25. Or if they're feeling generous, let's say 15 copy for $75. Like that. And then they click the support, and they will go to this page, and they can enter their PayPal account or debit or credit card. Now, if you want to customize your page, let's say you want to change the buy me a beer, buy me a pizza, buy me a book, you can do this under your profile. Click view my page, you will go to your page, and then you can edit your profile. You can change the banner you want, replace image. The recommended image at least 2560 by 423. You can change your profile image here. You can change your full name if you want. And what are you creating? And then this is your bio. You can enter your website, and then here you can either buy you a coffee, buy your beer, buy your pizza, buy your book. So here you can change whatever word you want to put here, no? So buy me a coffee is good for me. And then you can choose a theme. What color is your theme? And then display supporter count. You want to show you how many supporters you have. So that's it. You don't have to wait for your YouTube to get monetized to get support or donation from your viewers or your YouTube subscribers or followers. The good thing about this Buy Me a Coffee, you can also add this to your other social media platform, not just YouTube. You can send your link through Messenger, through Facebook, or you can add the Buy Me a Coffee button on your website. If you want to add your Buy Me a Coffee button on your website, let's say you have a website. Just click this website button. From here, you can choose the fonts, Cookie, Lato. So for me, I'm good with the Cookie. And then you can change the color. This is the Buy Me a Coffee button. Then you can add this to your website. Just click the Generate button. And then you will get the JavaScript. Just copy the code and just paste this on the HTML code of your website. If you need a video tutorial how to do this, just let me know in the comment section. So this is the tutorial how to set up your page in buymeacoffee.com. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any question about this video or Buy Me a Coffee, just write it down in the comment section. If you're first time in this channel, please click the subscribe button, click the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.